Morning, eighth grade. Um, check out what's going on today. We've got What Wednesday, um, week 3. I did change some stuff with your folders to hopefully help you. So if I click on the daily sketches, I added in if there's actually something that has an assignment in it, so you can see the assignment instead of just information. So like Movement Monday was just information on pop art, and then of course you had a sketch to do, but you didn't have anything to turn in yet. But today you'll see you have 2 things that are an assignment. So hopefully that is easier for you with navigating where things are. If there's another way, let me know. I'm all ears. So today it is What Wednesday, and we are going to be talking about what is copyright. Copyright is really important in all things in the world, but it's really important in art. So you are going to do a discussion today. It is due today, and I will show you that in a second. And then you are also going to talk about or learn what's in a sketchbook check-in. So a lot of you have been like sending me messages like, where do I turn my sketches in? We are turning our full sketchbook in at the end as a final presentation work of art. However, you're going to turn in a check-in that's due by Friday so I can see where you're at, what your progress is, and the check-in is graded, okay? And then your work time is going to be working on your sketches, work on your Elements of Design cover on your sketchbook. Remember, that full cover should be completely done. You should have your word really large. It should have all your elements. There shouldn't be any white left. You want to use those Sharpie techniques. This is a large project. It's worth a lot of summative points. If you've got questions, let me know. But that's what you should be working on, that final cover as well. So let's go here and go to the today's sketches. Daily sketch, What Wednesday. Again, hopefully that's helpful with that being there. Okay, let's talk about copyright infringement first. You are going to watch a video about Shepard Fairey. He's a famous street artist. He is the one who created the Hope poster for Obama's campaign in 2006. And I'm not going to even tell you. You're going to watch this video, okay? So here's the video, and then you're going to answer these 2 questions. Once you're done with that, and that's due today, please. Once you're done with your copyright infringement, check out what the sketchbook check-in is, okay? It's going to tell you over here what to do, directions. Put the check-in into Notability. Photograph each sketch. Watch the video, guys, on how to photograph the sketch, please. You're going to complete this 3, 2, 1 on the rubric. It needs to be completed in complete sentences, okay? 3 things you learned, 2 things you're liking, 1 thing you got to improve on. Notice it's worth 25 points, okay? I have labeled what goes where on the rubric, so you'll see that. And there is a spot for your 2 plans because this is due Friday, and we're starting another plan on Thursday for our next project. So you will be able to put at least how you're starting on the check-in. You guys know how to put things in Notability. I do the same way with 6th grade, and a lot of them don't know yet. But make sure that I would even watch this, how to photograph art. Some of you are doing a better job, but I'm still getting crooked. I'm getting far away. So how to photograph, check it out. We talked about the 4, 3, 2, 1. This is very elementary, but I like it in here to show you. Your sketches should be full pages, guys. They should fill up the space, be super creative. We have to pivot this year, as you know, for art. So I'm really, really looking for some rock star sketches. Let's talk about your project. Where you find that is going to be in the current folder, just like plain current folder, not the week. Because some of you are asking me. So here is the Project 1 Elements of Design folder. And that's where you're going to find the assignment. And then you're also going to find where, like, more instructions on it, the ones that I went over in class. You're going to find that here. Okay, so go through that. If you forgot, like if you want to look at examples, this thing is full of them and expectations. Make sure your notes are getting turned in. Those are separate from your plan. Okay, your notes, visual note taking, they should have the words and the definition and all that jazz. So, What Wednesday? Copyright, sketchbook check-in. Okay, that's not due till Friday, but you can get started on it and work on your sketches, work on your pop art from yesterday, work on your cover. I'm giving you guys a lot of work time. So get working and let me know if you have any questions.